Hello everyone, hope you stay well. João Dias, real estate consultant in center of Portugal, and today I'm near Sarzedas, 20 kilometers around to Castelo Branco and 3 kilometers to Sarzedas, concretely in Rapoula local. And I have that big property with a nice garden for present you today. Hope you like it. Rapoula is quite local, living 5-10% all here. Of course, in summer you have more people. If you see that house, it's rebuilding for holidays or weekends. And I want to present you that houses. You have a space here, garden and garden after the house. Okay. So in the main roads you have all septic tank, electricity and water company. Okay, you have all the conditions. It's the urban article, license for living, and you have a nice space, big house, and not new of course, but good conditions. That is private area. Okay, now I'm inside the property. You have that garden in front of the house. Okay. Here, maybe a kitchen or a small apartment for rent, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay. All the structure is cement. Okay, you have 10 years closed that houses, that's important, you know that. You have a little kitchen here and another division, maybe a room or something. Maybe for rent, Airbnb or something small division, but it's nice, I think. It's 100% separate the principal houses, okay? Only the garden, the access is the same, of course. Here, maybe the future barbecue area. It's all original, that construction. That garden, I don't have the keys, sorry, but I present you after the another way. There may be a garage or a space only for stay. Final of the day, enjoy the family and the friends. I think nice. All the structure of the house is cement, the roof it's wood, but nice. Okay, the garage, original, the garage at the moment it's an open space. You have a small division here again, not big, not a big division, but it's nice space. You have a door for the garden if you want to create independent. It's possible too. And if you cross all the open space or garage, you have the access for the garden. The garden it's big, flat, okay? It's more or less a triangle coming here The house is that. Okay, that is another. Do that. The garden. Going down to that construction and turn left, coming again. Let's see. That is the access. I don't have the keys. I present you there. The gate stay closed. All that is the limit of the garden. All you see green at that area green, stay inside, okay? And it's included in the property. At here, that olive stay too, that stay and another. Finished here. I think it's more or less possible. You see, finished here, okay? Here, and that way. That construction is the neighbor, okay? It's that line. Turn back again, up, and that is the house, and all that is the garden. Have a nice views around, I think, quiet area. It's in the middle of the village, but that's it, the village, it's small local. Have only peace here and silence, and that is the principal houses, okay? Going that way, garden. Don't have any fence and nothing, but you have a small hole here. Don't need it, of course, if you want to put. Don't have any problem, but the owners at the moment never need do that. If you want to do more bigger houses here, of course it's possible. Get a kitchen, room, bedroom. Never know. And now the steps for the first floor. The views here. I think it's nice and very quiet. The houses. Now, principal part of the house, that first floor. You have the kitchen here. I'm coming back again. One room. Just old equipment. Have nice light. Hey. A little bit confusion, sorry about that, but I try organize something. You have one room, two rooms, the views again for that way, another. And space number 3, maybe a room for I don't have wood here. If you see the difference, maybe original room, not bedroom, but of course that is not important. If you want to change that, you change. Views again. See, the house have a lot of light. The true and nice views. Okay, nice division. And now, sorry, but he broke that door, and I can help open that. Sorry, but it's another room similar than that. I try to create a solution, okay, but I don't have now. The toilet, complete the toilet here. Have natural light too. I think it's very nice. And you have natural light in the toilets, help a lot to take hair, humidities and that. And now the kitchen. Again, it's simple kitchen, all conditions. Not bad area, I think. And here, have the access for the roof. Remember, all the structure is cement, only the roof it's wood, but the tiles, part of the tiles it's new, and the wood, I think, and the information I have, it's okay. Don't rain inside. Okay, the last 3 weeks in Portugal rain a lot. Here it don't rain anything, and the wood, I think it's okay. But every people have your opinion, okay? It's only my opinion, not compromise. If you want coming to see and confirm an experience, guys, it's a pleasure coming for you see that. Views for the village again. And of course, if you want to rooms or more division, office or something here, you don't have any problem about that, okay? That's the house I want to present you today. Remember, I tried to put all the information in the description. Maybe forgot something in the video, the description. My contacts stay there, please. Using, because it's a pleasure. Try to help. See you in the next video. Surprise, surprise. That is the bedroom. I can help the door when you start the video, but now I can. Okay, enjoy. And that is the division. Don't stand when you do the video. Only now. Is that okay? The kitchen, one room, the toilet, a room or bedroom, you know, another, and that is the door stay closed, but now it's open. It's a surprise.